Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing the toddler avatar template that matches age proportions. This reduces later adjustments. Once chosen, import a clean base mesh and attach an appropriate skin texture so coloration matches the in-world style. Make sure clothing layers and accessories are separate objects for easy swapping. Export immediately with scale set to 1. 0 and orientation Y-up. Use FBX or GLB to preserve rig data. These steps speed you into rigging without wasted rework. Start now and keep assets modular. Next, model the cast as a lightweight shell around the limb, roughly 2 to 4 millimeters thick, with rounded edges for a kid-friendly look. Once the mesh is finished, bind it to the toddler rig using weight painting. Focus heavy weights on the cast body and light weights near joint zones to prevent clipping. Add padding and strap meshes as separate layers so they animate independently and receive collisions. Make sure to test basic poses. Refine weights until the cast follows motion cleanly. Finish by running thorough pose tests, walking, crawling, and sitting. Note any clipping or joint gaps and fix those first. Once stable, bake skin weights and generate LODs, high, medium, and low to keep performance steady in world. Export the final package with textures and collision proxies included. If problems appear, adjust weights, add small corrective shape keys for troublesome poses, and refine collision margins. One tip: if straps clip, detach and animate them as separate constrained objects until interaction looks natural.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.